Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the Frog Commander to start the Frog Army quest in Fish It game on Roblox latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to go to the Fisherman Island where you can find the Frog Commander, and then you can go to this area. And this is the Frog Commander that you can talk to start the Frog Army quest. Okay, I'm going to click on this quest, and the Frog Army quest now has been started. Okay, and this is the quest. We need to catch 5 frogs and catch 1 king frog, and the reward will be 5k coins. And if you want to catch the frog and the king frog, you just need to fish here guys on the Fisherman Island. Just fish here and you will find the frog. And usually I fish right here, or basically you can fish anywhere to catch the frog. And wait, let me show you the index. Okay, you will be able to find the frog on the Fisherman Island, and also the king frog. The king frog is epic fish, meanwhile the frog is rare fish. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the Frog Commander to start the Frog Army mission or quest. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!